Imagine yourself in this 2019 Kia Sorento. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, AC power outlet, 1, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.